In a significant development, the Apex Bank has retracted its directive asking banks and payment service providers to collect and remit the cybersecurity levy as outlined in the Cybercrime Prevention and Prohibition Amendment Act of 2024. The Central Bank of Nigeria announced this retraction in a revised circular dated May 17, 2024. The circular, signed by the Director of Payment Service Management, Chibuzo Efobi, and Director of Financial Policy and Regulation Department, Aruno Mustafa, was addressed to commercial banks, payment service providers, non-interest banks, and other financial institutions. The directive for the collection of the levy had sparked nationwide backlash, as many Nigerians expressed concerns over the additional financial burden it would place on individuals and businesses. We spoke to several Nigerians to get their views on this development. Here is what they had to say.
It's good for them to suspend it because if they don't, there have to be an extortion on the citizen. It's not right. The country, we are already going through a lot in the first place. So deducting money from people is not fair.
In the first instance, as I was saying, I don't know why they brought out such another way of taxing the masses. And multiple taxation upon taxation, the society, the people is already bankrupt, and they have been trodden upon. Bringing such obnoxious taxation is another, can I say, wicked way or not feeling about anything about the people.
It's very good because that's the reason why most of the banks are even losing customers, because OP and PAMP, they don't do that. After all, we have been using bank for how many years now? We're supposed to have maybe interest in our money, but ever since, nothing like that was done. So they're just using that one to extort us. So it's a good idea for them to suspend that levy.
Yes, it's good because it will help people to save money.
It's good because at least it will help people to have that confidence of saving without no fear.
It is important to also note that the presidency has taken note of the public's reaction, leading the Federal Executive Council to suspend the implementation of the provisions of the law, while citing the need to conduct further reviews to ensure that all stakeholders' interests are adequately considered. As the central bank retracts its directive and the government paused to review the cybersecurity levy, it is clear that public opinion can indeed influence policy. We'll keep you updated on any further development regards the cybersecurity levy. Matthew Gunswada for Voice of the People TV.